H.C. Verma solution, chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics, question number 1. And the question is, A vector makes an angle of 20 degree and B vector makes an angle 110 degree with the x-axis. The magnitude of these vectors are 3 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the resultant. Solution. Let us draw the x and y axis. Here a vector makes 20 degree with x-axis and B vector makes 110 degree with the x-axis. Now here given is the magnitude of A vector is equals to it can be represented by A is equals to 3 meter. The magnitude of B vector, that is B, is equals to 4 meter. Now angle between the vectors, this angle between the vectors is 110 degree minus 20 degree is equals to 90 degree. Now we have the formula for resultant vector as R is equals to root under A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equals to, here theta is 90 degree, that's why this term will be 0, and finally we will get root under A square plus B square is equals to root under 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 meter. Therefore the magnitude of the resultant is 5 meter. Also the angle made by the resultant vector with the A vector, suppose this one is the resultant vector and this resultant makes an angle alpha with the A vector, then we can write tan alpha is equals to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Here alpha is the angle made by R vector with A vector. Here sin 90 degree is equals to 1, therefore B divided by A plus the cos 90 degree is equals to 0, therefore it will become B by A, or tan alpha is equals to 4 by 3, therefore alpha is equals to tan inverse 4 by 3 is equals to 50 degree. Hence angle made by this angle 53 degree is the angle made by the resultant vector with A vector, and if we have to find the angle made by this resultant vector with the x-axis, then we have to add 20 degree. Therefore angle made by R vector with x-axis is equals to 53 degree plus 20 degree is equals to 70 degree. Hence the resultant vector is equals to 5 meter in the direction 50 degree 73 degree with x-axis. So in this way we can do this problem, or we can do this problem in another way as well by using the component method. Let's see how we can do it. Alternatively we can do by component method. Here we have to find x component of each vector as well as y component of each vector. Let's see here. X component of A vector, that is A x component, is equals to A cos 20 degree, because A vector makes 20 degree with the x-axis. Therefore 3 cos 20 degree, it will have the value 2.82 meter. Again let us find the x component of B vector. This B vector makes angle 70 degree with this x dash axis, with x axis from the x. B vector makes 70 degree with this x dash line. Therefore B x component of B vector is equals to minus B cos 70 degree, because I have written minus because B vector will have component in this negative direction, that's why there is the minus. It will give minus 4 cos 70 degree is equals to minus 1.37 meter. Hence x component of the resultant x component will be addition of both of these, 2.82 plus minus 1.37, it will give 1.45 meter. Also y component of A vector is A sin 20 degree is equals to 3 sin 20 degree, it will have the value 1.03 meter. Again y component of the B vector is equals to B sin 70 degree is equals to 4 sin 70 degree is equals to 3.76 meter. Therefore resultant y component, this is y not x, is equals to 1.03 plus 3.76 is equals to 4.79 meter. Now we know the resultant magnitude of the resultant is equals to root under x component whole square plus y component whole square resultant. is equals to root under 1.45 square plus 4.79 square is equals to 5.004. Taking in two significant digits, we can write 5.00 or it will be 5 meter. Also, let us find the angle made by the resultant with the x-axis. The angle, if we suppose the angle made by resultant with x-axis to be beta, angle made by resultant with x-axis beta, then tan beta is equals to r y resultant y component divided by resultant x component is equals to 4.79 divided by 1.45, or beta is equals to tan inverse 4.79 divided by 1.45 is equals to 73 degree. Thus, resultant vector is equals to 5 meter at 73 degree with x-axis. In this way, we can solve this problem.